Welcome back to Eragada Madams. You're listening to Priyanka and Pujita.
Yes, we're here. Hi,
Okay, maybe we should do the basic stuff. Hi, hello.
good morning.
Whatever. Can we just go right into the topic?
Yes, and what is today's topic?
Sex.
Okay, someone's very excited to talk about
No,
sex.
no. It's just the jitteriness and the awkwardness is just manifesting into excitement. It's basically reaction formation. Side text, it's one of the defenses.
It's not a mature defense mechanism, guys.
అంటే బేసికలీ లోపల ఒకలాగా ఉన్నా కూడా బయటకి వి బిహేవ్ క్వైట్ ఆపోజిట్ టు ఇట్ దట్స్ కాల్డ్ రియాక్షన్ ఫార్మేషన్
Yeah, and so we're going to break a little bit of this jitteriness and awkwardness around sex because we need to get used to saying it, dude.
yes can we say it twice
One,
2
two,
3
three.
sex
Only you said it. Ha ha.
that's very childish food. Anyway, how did you like first like get used to the word sex or get to know about sex or sexuality whatever?
So first of all, I didn't even know ante asal sexuality ante enti. What do
Okay.
we around puberty time? We all know that, like, women start menstruating and they start, sprouting boobs on their chest.
Can we use the word boobs?
I think we can because that's what they're called.
Right.
Yeah.
You name them whatever, like in whatever way,
Yeah.
preferably respectful way,
Yes.
but they are yes boobs.
Yes. So yeah, the major changes that happen to a woman are the menstrual cycle and the boobs, and both of them were quite difficult for me. And I thought, okay, అంటే sexuality అంటే engaging in sexual behavior అని అనుకున్నాను నేను అంతే. దానికి మించి పెద్దగా ఐడియా లేదు ఏం లేదు.
Can we tell everybody what exactly sexuality means?
Sexuality is how we relate to sexual experiences or sexual pleasure. Like, homosexuality means we get attracted to the same gender, and heterosexuality means we get attracted to the opposite gender, and like that's your sexual orientation.
Also, you can be there's something called asexual as well,
Yes.
where you're not attracted to or not affiliated or you don't have affinity to sexual experiences.
Yeah, but they can still have all of these romantic experiences and all
Absolutely.
of that. It's just a sex part that it's a little meh for them.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's your sexual orientation. Whereas, like, you identifying yourself as a gender, like, that is your gender identity. And yeah, I mean, some people get confused, or some people identify with the opposite gender, and all of that is totally fine. And to be honest, it's a really a little bit separated from the sexuality genre of topic.
We will take that maybe if you guys are interested,
Yeah.
maybe in some another episode.
Yeah.
But today we are gonna dedicate ourselves completely for sex.
And female sexuality mainly.
Okay, I've said 100 times
What?
the word sex.
Sword.
It's still get awkward.
Yeah, we have to stick to female sexuality because our husbands didn't give us permission to talk about this.
Absolutely, they thought we had like TMI, too much of information to like share.
Exactly.
Okay, moving on, like how did you discover your sexuality?
Emo, to be honest, I used to watch these rom-coms in ETV, like Tarun movies, Uday Kiran movies, and they would be like so cute and lovey-dovey. And I really, at one point, I thought that only hugs and kisses meant that, like, ho gaya, like, bacha ho jayega. What about you?
And there, as you said, I think that's same for everybody. We are getting to know about sex a lot from the media around.
Yeah.
Manappudu, because we're 90s kids, it was TV. Specific ga na gurtundi aithe I was watching 4th class lo some movie of Venkatesh, and there was this raunchy song, and my parents are like, "Hey, tippese."
Padava?
No.
Okay, line padava మన audience కోసం.
No, it's ఇదేంటి సుభాష్ చంద్రబోస్ మూవీలో నేరేడు పండు సాంగ్.
అదే ఒక లైన్ పాడితే మా ఆడియన్స్ కి గుర్తొస్తుంది.
And where Shreya's like really sexy and whatnot, she's just dancing under waterfalls. సో దాని తర్వాత నాకు ఏమర్థమైందంటే పిల్లలు పుట్టాలంటే ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ దే హ్యావ్ టు కిస్ బట్ దెన్ ఐ థాట్ సైంటిఫికలీ బికాస్ ఐ థాట్ ఐ వాజ్ దిస్ గిఫ్టెడ్ చైల్డ్ ఐ ఫిగర్డ్ ఇట్ అవుట్ కి సలైవా ఎక్స్చేంజ్ వల్ల దిల్ స్వాలో కదా సో బేబీ పొట్టులోకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అండ్ మమాస్ గెట్ బేబీస్
So Shreya is swallowing babies in this explanation.
A lot of babies.
ఇంకా నయం ఫ్రూట్స్ ని లేవెల్ కి హిట్ చేయడం వల్ల బేబీస్ వస్తాయని అనుకోలేదు.
Oh, that can be another theory for Raghavendra Rao fans. Yeah, that is also possible.
So, would you be comfortable talking about masturbation?
See, I still didn't get used to the concept of sex and masturbation, even though I'm like technically the doctor which should deal with sexology and whatnot. But I think it's just a journey. I'm trying to like get around it. Coming specifically to masturbation, I think there's a lot of shame attached to the word masturbation and the whole deal. And a lot of it also comes from misinformation or lack of information. Like my sisters or my mothers, my friends never told about masturbation. A lot of times I learn it on the, you know, how women learn. I think it's just through the conversation.
Instinctual, actually.
I don't know. I didn't feel it instinctually. I just wanted somebody to explain it for me, like how we are doing this for the audience today.
No, but for me, on some level, I don't know how I discovered that pressing my thighs together is giving me a lot of pleasure.
Oh, it has a name. What is it called?
Clitoral stimulation?
No, you told. Pressing or rubbing thighs together is called something.
Oh, I totally don't know. If you guys know, please let us know.
There's a technical term for it.
Yeah, so that's how I discovered that, oh my god, this is really nice. Like, I'm getting all of this high and all of that just by pressing my thighs together. And I was like, I used to try to do it at any opportunity that I got. I just didn't have any sense that this is dirty or this is not dirty. But I mean, obviously manam koncham 8th 9th standard ko vachaka we kind of understand that, oh, what I'm doing is actually masturbation. And that time I was hit with such guilt. I was like, oh my god, I'm committing a sin, and I used to pray to God every night saying sorry, but it's really pleasurable. I don't know what to do.
Such a difficult thing for an adolescent to like figure it out.
Yeah, and actually అంటే మనకి మీడియాలో కూడా they talk about masturbation in male terms like, you know, hasta prayogam and whatever. And with females, it's almost always like putting your fingers inside or, you know, doing some penetrative thing. I had actually never heard about pressing your thighs together. And I thought it was something totally abnormal that only I do. Right. Which is like, you know.
Quite common.
Yeah.
That again tells that there's a lot of lack of knowledge or information in general media because it's an easier medium to consume information.
Yeah.
What exactly do we want our viewers to know about masturbation? If you ask me, I would say first of all, get used to it. The idea, be open to the idea. We're not saying that everybody has to go back to their home today, shut up their doors or bathrooms and do. What we're trying to say is like we can embrace that there's something called masturbation and everybody is quite capable of doing it. And there's no wrongs or corrects about it, and there is no black or white thing about it, and there's no morality attached to it. It's as physiological as digestion,
vomiting,
defecation. Okay, I always go back to poop.
Why does every topic come back to poop for you?
That's just a favorite topic of mine.
She poops a lot, people.
Okay, that's too much of information. This is what our husbands have been telling us. We can't do that.
She had 100 episodes of diarrhea.
No, that was all just bullshit. So coming back to masturbation, to be open to the idea and or at least just explore and see where your lady bits are and what they do. What I mean is that just take a mirror and just see a hole nunchi what you're doing, what is a pee hole, ekkadi nunchi menstrual blood ostundi, what are the other stuff. Just get to know around. At least that is my, like, you know, takeaway.
Yeah, and I guess actually a chala manchi point. And like if I want to add something to it, obviously I want to stress that it's not a bad thing. Do it
Yeah.
when you feel like doing it. And obviously manam psychiatrists kabatti we know a point where it gets excessive.
Yes.
Like maybe if you're spending throughout your day, like daytime, to the point of exclusion of all of your other activities, నువ్వు ఇంకా దేని మీద కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయలేకపోతున్నావు, masturbation మీద తప్ప, and that's all you're doing, that time it gets pathological. But
Yeah.
until then I feel like most of us are safe and we can do it whenever we want to.
Absolutely.
And obviously there are many different ways to pleasure yourself.
Okay.
For me it was mostly clitoral stimulation and not penetration. So that's what, like, I didn't know it at the time, but that's what the thighs thing did. And some people, you know, like penetration, and some people like, you know, non-genital stimulation like boobs or neck, or some people have a toe fetish.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
it can be anything. What we're just trying to say is that don't judge yourself for liking certain stuff, or for feeling a certain way about it, even if you
Yes.
like. It could be anywhere.
yeah, and you guys are sexy, so
Yep.
yeah, maybe celebrate it a little bit.
Yes.
Yep.
You know, maybe in an aesthetic way, maybe I can imagine setting up a candle, a cozy warm bed, and like you're playing out nice music, and like
What music? Nered Pallu.
no, definitely not needed. Some light music, and then jala 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 patam. And then just explore.
Yeah.
I want to take something from what you've said.
Into-
How some women prefer clitoral stimulation over penetration.
Yeah.
This leads to us talking about orgasm.
Oh my god, that's the big big O.
Yeah.
Yes.
So orgasm is basically high-end pleasure. And to make it really simple, 4 things ఉంటాయి: desire, excitation, orgasm, and resolution. Desire అంటే కోరిక. I
అది
want to
మన
do sex.
రెస్పాన్స్ సైకిల్
Yes,
అనుకున్నాం, సెక్షువల్ రెస్పాన్స్
yeah.
సైకిల్.
And this is for everybody. It's basic science and physiology. Desire is కోరిక. Excitation is basically కోరిక ఎక్కువైనప్పుడు your body starts to respond కదా, like the breasts become more perky, your nipples can stand out, and you might feel some wetness coming from your vagina.
అదే వజైనల్ లూబ్రికేషన్ అది చాలా సార్లు కరెస్పాండ్ అవ్వదు అంటారు,
Yeah.
బట్ ఇట్స్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద సైన్స్ లైక్ మెనీ.
Yeah. It's not like particular గా నాకు ఇప్పుడు డిజైర్ అవుతుంది నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్సైటేషన్ అట్లా ఏమి ఉండదు. Then
You go back and forth between
yeah,
the cycles.
absolutely.
Yes.
And it's the very flexible also. You can go anywhere from directly D to O also you can go.
Yeah.
You will not even know when you're lubricated. And then comes,
I never knew, dude.
I mean, it's sad that India, not many women have experienced the orgasm.
Okay.
Because
I think it's a worldwide problem.
yeah, maybe. And because we've given that responsibility to the men.
Maybe, yeah. I mean, I guess many people think that మనం బెడ్ మీద పడుకుని ఉంటే చాలు.
Okay. That was too much of information.
I didn't say that about you. You were the one who gave that information away.
So coming back to the sexual response cycle. So desire, excitation, then comes the orgasm. Orgasm is that intense sense of pleasure or that maximum happiness or high that you get after any kind of stimulation. Then resolution. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏవైతే ఉందో అదంతా తగ్గిపోయి బాడీ గోస్ బ్యాక్ టు నార్మల్సీ. కానీ ఉమెన్ హ్యావ్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ థింగ్ అబౌట్ ఇట్. డూ యూ వాంట్ సే దట్?
No, you go ahead. You
No,
have
you
a flow going on.
No, okay. So a woman should be really really proud of herself, because జనరల్ గా ఈ ఒక్క సైకిల్ అయిపోయి మళ్ళీ డిజైర్ ఎక్సైటేషన్ రావడానికి కొంత గ్యాప్ ఉంటుంది మేల్స్ కి.
వాళ్ళకి లేటెన్సీ ఉంటది.
Yes.
Yeah.
So they can't have erections back to back. But hello, women can do. We don't have latency, and you
Yes.
can have multiple orgasms. And I hope
Hypothetically.
yeah, hypothetically.
Hypothetically you can have.
Yeah, ఒకటే కష్టం ఇక్కడ జనరల్ గా, but you quite capable of having multiple beautiful orgasms.
Yes.
So yeah.
No, but speaking of orgasms, shall we talk a little bit about how difficult it is to actually achieve penetration after, you know, after a gap or after marriage, when it's your first time, especially for women, వాళ్ళు అంటే ఎంత స్ట్రెస్ తీసుకుంటారు. Actually, like, of course I am a case study in that. Like, చాలా రోజుల వరకు penetration అవ్వట్లేదు, and then
Okay, again too much of information. let's just feel sorry for her husband because she's giving too much of information.
Yeah. No, but what I mean in general is that it's very difficult for the woman to feel like, you know, things are not happening.
The
మనం
way
ఏంటి
you expected it to be.
మనం ఒక ఐడియల్ సినారియో లూజింగ్ యువర్ వర్జినిటీ అట్లా అనుకుంటాం కానీ అట్లా అవ్వడం అనేది చాలా కష్టం.
Basically, these Bollywood serials have spoiled it for me. My idea of sex was what they have shown, like, oh, very cute, easy breezy, romantic, full setting will be there and all of that. But it's an act of vulnerability. At least that's how I see it. You
Yeah.
have to be absolutely confident in your own body.
You need to have some level of that emotional safety with your
Yeah, that
partner
is also
as well.
there. That's also
Yeah.
there to bear yourself.
Exactly. And vaginismus is a very real thing. అండ్ అఫ్ కోర్స్ దానికి మనకి వేరియస్ మెడికల్ రీజన్స్ ఉండొచ్చు, అంటే ఆర్గానిక్ కాజెస్ మనం ఏదైతే అనుకుంటామో. బట్ మోస్ట్లీ ఐ ఫీల్ లైక్ ఇట్ ఇస్ సైకోజెనిక్. వీఆర్ టెన్స్డ్ అప్, లైక్ వీఆర్ మనం ఆ ప్రెషర్ తీసేసుకుంటాము.
Yeah. Also, sadly, a lot of women who have vaginismus report that some or other traumatic incidents related to sex or sexual abuse have been there.
Yes.
So, for them, naturally, they're not that open or willing to experience the beauty of sex. So, the muscles basically, vaginismus is in the pelvic muscles untai kada. Basically, the ones which help you pee or hold your pee. They're also responsible for sex and penetration and all of that. So they get tensed up, and it'll be really painful for you to have a penetration.
యా, అది ఫింగర్స్ అవ్వచ్చు, లేదంటే ఏదైనా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అన్న ఏదన్నా. బట్ యువర్ సిస్టర్స్ జస్ట్ నాట్ లెటింగ్ ఇట్ ఇన్సైడ్.
That's a beautiful say.
Yeah, your sister's like, no, I don't want this. I'm going to, crawl up into my shell. It is a little bit of a nervous problem. History of trauma ఉంటే కూడా అవుతుంది. ఇంట్లో సరిగ్గా ప్రైవసీ లేదు, మనల్ని ఎవరినైనా వింటారు చూస్తారు అంటే అది ఇంకొక ప్రాబ్లం.
కండిషనింగ్ కూడా, సెక్స్ అంటే తప్పు, వి కాంట్ హ్యావ్ సెక్స్ అనే లాట్ ఆఫ్ కండిషనింగ్ కూడా.
మనం సెక్స్ చేసినా గానీ మనకి ప్లెజర్ ఉండకూడదు,
యా,
అట్లాంటి ఆలోచనలు. లేదు, మెడికల్ రీజన్స్ అంటే ఏముంటాయి?
Let's not just medical, simple, there is lack of intimacy, emotional intimacy between the couple.
Yeah,
అంత వాళ్ళిద్దరి మధ్యలో
కంపాటబిలిటీ లేదు అంటే గొడవలు అయినాయి, లేదు అంటే వాళ్ళకి వాళ్ళ బాడీస్ గురించి అంత ఎక్స్ప్లోరేషన్ లేదు, అంత అవేర్నెస్ లేదు, వాళ్ళు ఇంకా టైం తీసుకోలేదు, మెయిన్లీ ఫోర్ ప్లే లేదు.
ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దే డోంట్ నో వాట్ టు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఆల్సో. అదే అసలు ఏం జరుగుతుందో తెలియదు కాబట్టి. అండ్ మెడికల్ రీజన్స్ యు వర్ సేయింగ్ కదా, ఎనీ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్స్, STDs basically.
Yeah, STDs, UTIs, yeah, basically.
And yeah, that's a lot about vaginismus. But the thing is that there is a lot of help available now, and problem is that the women take it upon themselves, even if they're like not able to take the penetration. They think that something's wrong with them.
Yeah, నా వల్లనే ఇది అవ్వట్లేదు,
నాకే అవ్వట్లేదు,
నాలో అట్రాక్టివ్ లేనేమో,
నాలోనే ఏదో తక్కువ ఉంది, there's some kami inside me. Again,
yeah, but it can happen to anyone. And కొంచెం రిలాక్సేషన్ ఉంది, ఫోర్ ప్లే ఉంది, మంచి ఎమోషనల్ బాండింగ్ ఉంది, లేదు చాలా లూబ్ వాడావు, all of these things will help you.
Yeah, important advice for the beginners or in general, not targeted to anybody. Lubricant, water-based lubricant is girl's best friend.
Yes.
And a lot of foreplay.
Yeah.
And a safe environment plays such an important role.
Exactly.
You can't just push your body to feel safe anywhere, wherever you want to.
Dude, how do people have sex in bathrooms and in crowded public places, parking places, in movies and all? Like, నా వల్ల అయితే కాదనిపిస్తుంది.
Are we envying them? Yes,
we are envying them, but for us we need like a very calm
safe place.
Yeah.
And inka, so how can they help themselves if at all they think they have vaginismus, Pooja?
First thing is to get like a full medical workup, checkup done with your gynecologist. If at all there's going to be any issues, ఎక్కువ సార్లు అయితే అసలు ఏం ఇష్యూస్ ఉండవు, but better to rule out them first. Then మనకి సింపుల్ రిలాక్సేషన్ టెక్నిక్స్ ఉంటాయి. మనం కపుల్స్ థెరపీ చేసుకోవచ్చు, లేదంటే కపుల్ సెక్స్ థెరపీ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
Yes.
మన మాస్టర్ అండ్ జాన్సన్ వాళ్ళు క్రేజీగా చేసి పడేశారు
Oh.
ఆల్రెడీ. మనం డిట్టో ఆ మాన్యువల్ ని
Copy
కాపీ
paste.
ఇట్ విల్ బి ఎఫెక్టివ్. సో యా, ఐ మీన్ దెర్ ఆర్ మెనీ ఆప్షన్స్ అవైలబుల్. అండ్ యాక్చువల్లీ చాలా మంది యాంగ్జైటీ తగ్గించుకోవడానికి తాగితే సరిపోతుంది అంటారు, కానీ మళ్ళీ ఆ తాగడం వల్ల ఇంకా
I know.
ఆల్కహాల్
That is also there. A lot of people.
యా
But sometimes it just worsens it.
యా
And basically, it can be, it's manageable and it's not like a, oh, అయ్యో ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా is this marriage blah, blah.
ఈ మ్యారేజ్ అసలు లీగల్ కాదు, మనం కాన్సుమేట్
అలాంటివి
చేయలేదు.
అంతవరకు వెళ్ళే ముందు you can just go to your nearby psychiatrist and take help.
Yeah, psychiatrists are trained to help people with this, which is something that many people do not know, that psychiatrists actually deal with sexual dysfunction ani. Bhaiya adi maade bhaiya.
Or just start simple. If సరే హాస్పిటల్కి వెళ్ళాలని లేదు, ఎవరికి చెప్పాలని లేదు, you can just start by looking at your body, get to know about it. Comfortable గా ఉన్నప్పుడు you can touch yourself in a graded manner. ఫస్ట్ చూడడము, తర్వాత ఇంకా డీటెయిల్డ్ గా చూడడము, అసలు ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఏమవుతుంది. Then you can touch and see what kind of sensations you're feeling.
Yes.
Once you're comfortable, you can put your hand around the opening of the vagina. అది కూడా if you're able to do, then maybe little finger
Yeah.
పెట్టి తీసేసి, then తర్వాత if you're doing really well at that also, then you can put your finger and like count for 30.
యాక్చువల్లీ నువ్వు చాలా మంచిగా చెప్తున్నావు. గ్రేడెడ్ ఎక్స్పోజర్ ఏదైతే ఉందో, ఆబ్వియస్లీ మనకి ఇది లైవ్ లో చేయడానికి ఒక 20-30 సెషన్స్ పడుతుందేమో, కానీ ఇట్స్ పాసిబుల్ గైస్. లైక్ the basic principle is that we are getting used to our bodies, we are getting used to admiring our bodies and appreciating our bodies, and we'll teach our partner to do the same. Like
Once we know what is pleasurable and all, we can teach our partners to do the same. And basically we are retraining our vagina to process the sensations as good sensations as well.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ, దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎందుకంటే మనకి ఇండియాలో సెక్షువల్ ట్రామా అనేది ఎప్పుడు ఆల్ టైమ్ హైలోనే ఉంటుంది.
Yes, unfortunately.
ఎస్, అండ్ మనం ఆబ్వియస్లీ దెర్ ఆర్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ లేబుల్స్, అంటే అది టాబు, ఇది మన సంస్కారం కాదు, అది ఇది. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ దర్స్ ఆల్సో అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఫియర్ అరౌండ్ ఇట్. ఇప్పుడు రేప్ ఫియర్ ఇస్ అ వెరీ రియల్ ఫియర్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ఉమెన్ ఇన్ ఆల్ పబ్లిక్ ప్లేసెస్.
Right.
సో మనం ఆ వజైనల్ సెన్సేషన్స్ నుంచి కూడా ఆ ఫియర్ నుంచి కొంచెం రిలీజ్ చేయాలి.
Yeah, a lot of them can stem from these kind of fears.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, so we've come really long in our episode. I think we should just conclude it with a controversial thing now.
Controversial?
Yeah. So I was thinking, what is your take on premarital sex? Like, what do you think?
చేస్తే చేయండి, చేయకపోతే చేయకండి.
Yeah, we are nobody to give you advice or preach you anything.
మీకు కావాల్సింది చేసుకోండి.
But protected sex and protected environment, condoms are an important thing.
Consent is even more important than condoms.
Consent more than anything. And take informed decisions, not because you're bullied or you're giving into peer pressure kakunda. Only if you're really confident about it, and if you think you have enough resources to deal with the complications of it or consequences of it,
Yeah.
then maybe you should go for it.
అండర్ ఏజ్ ఉంటే చేయకండి గైస్.
Yeah, bro, men basically, you'll be put under POCSO Act if you do it with the underage
Above
females.
18 years, you feel like doing it, your partner feels like doing it, then do it.
Under 18 consent unna kuda bhaiya, you cannot do it.
Yes.
Because you'll be booked under POCSO.
Act,
Yeah.
and you'll come to forensic ward.
Yeah, we'll be seeing you. Yeah.
But I feel like something even more controversial is desire in women.
Oh. It's sad that it has become controversial.
Yeah.
Even though it's so basic.
Yeah.
Like, it's wrong for the woman to have desire to ask for sex or...
Yeah. And లేదు, డిజైర్ లేదు అంటే కూడా ఇట్స్ లైక్
Yeah.
ఆ గిల్ట్ ట్రిప్ ఉంటది. ఎందుకు నీకు
పెళ్ళెందుకు? I know.
నేనేమన్నా తక్కువ చేశానా నీకు, ఎందుకు నీకు నా దగ్గరికి రాబుద్ది అవ్వట్లేదు.
You know,
It's up to you.
ఇంకొక విధంగా కూడా చెప్పాలి పుష్. వన్స్ ఒకసారి క్లినిక్ లో there is this guy who came for erectile dysfunction. He was saying he believes that he's not getting enough erections, even morning erections, because his wife is not putting up makeup. ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు? He had this guts to say it to me, and
In
the wife,
front of his wife.
yeah, and the wife was sitting next. He was like, చూడండి మేడం ఎప్పుడు కిచెన్ లోనే ఉంటుంది, అవేదో సాంబార్ వాసన వెల్లుల్లి వాసనతో వస్తుంది, ఇంటికి రాగానే కనీసం మొహం కడుక్కోదు, జుట్టు దూకోదు, ఎట్లా మేడం ఈమె దగ్గరికి ఎట్లా పోవాలి, అండ్ నాట్ గెటింగ్ ఎరెక్షన్స్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ హర్. దెన్ ఐ వాస్
ఫస్ట్
లైక్,
ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మీకు మార్నింగ్ ఎరెక్షన్స్ నాక్టర్నల్ ఎరెక్షన్స్ రావట్లేదు అంటే ఏదో ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది, డయాబెటీస్ థైరాయిడ్ ఇష్యూస్ లివర్ ఇష్యూస్ ఏదో ఒకటి అయితే ఉంది మీకు.
ఇట్స్ నాట్ అబౌట్
నాట్ అబౌట్
వైఫ్.
యా
But men make it that way. They blame women for every wrongdoing or underdoing in sex as well.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. అంటే మేబీ ఒక లెవెల్లో వాళ్ళకి ఆ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ లేదనిపిస్తుంది, బట్ క్యాన్ యూ రియల్లీ టీచ్ పీపుల్ టు బి సెన్సిటివ్? అది ఐ డోంట్ నో.
It's
అంటే దట్
each to their own కదా.
అంతే అంతే. సో డిజైర్ ఉండడం కూడా నార్మలే, తక్కువ ఉండడం నార్మలే, అప్పుడప్పుడు ఎక్కువ ఉండడం నార్మలే. అండ్ వీఆర్ ఆల్ అట్రాక్టెడ్ టు డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్స్ డిఫరెంట్ టైమ్స్. our personalities బట్టి కూడా ఉంటది.
Absolutely, there are no judgments. We cannot make any judgments.
Exactly.
But if you think you need help or you need more information, we're always there.
We're always there at eragadammadams@gmail.com. Please email us in case you want to talk more.
With that, we're signing off.